Welcome to 603 Kanasgowa Drive in my neighborhood of Kanasgowa Falls. In fact, this home is just up the street from where I live, so if you act quickly, you just might be my neighbor. There's a lot of things that are a lot more compelling about this home than its proximity to me. It's a modern-day treehouse that's nestled in the woods. It's got an open floor plan that's great for one-level living, but also great for having guests. And wait till you see what they did on this remodel. Let's take a look. When you enter the front door, you're greeted with reclaimed lumber finishes, huge windows, and a perfect view of the forest. It's easy to feel connected to nature here. Having coffee on the screened-in porch, you'll not only hear the bird life, but you can also hear the stream flowing down below. This home was completely remodeled in 2019, featuring high-end kitchen and bath finishes, new appliances, flooring, and windows throughout the house. When you own a home like this in Kanasgowa Falls, you're going to have a lot of guests. But this floor plan is perfect for everyone to have their own privacy. With 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, the kitchen and living room all on the main floor, this home is perfect for one-level living. The downstairs remodel created 2 bedrooms, a bath, and a family room, so your guests can now have their own space, making that visit just a little bit more enjoyable. A modern-day treehouse in a mountain community that's great for having family and friends. Who wouldn't want that? So make an appointment today to see what your life could look like in Kanasgowa Falls.